Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to create both historical and real-time charts in our Adquio SCADA server, or Adquio SCADA Cloud tool. To do this, we'll go to the line chart, drag it into our canvas, and open its properties, which will appear on the right-hand side, allowing us to start filling out the questionnaire. We should select whether we already have created data ranges, choose which one we want to use, or create a new one. I'm going to create a new one so you can see the full process. In the same way, I can choose an existing data range or create a new one. I'm going to call it consumptions, and the only thing we need to do now is add lines to it. Let's search for power here and select these 4 power values. We can select more than one range at the same time. If the names match the filter, it simply pulls them up for us. With this, we already have a chart and have selected the values I want to display in it. Additionally, we must decide whether we want these values to be displayed in real time as they arrive, or visualized as historical data. By default, when we visualize historical data, the system allows us to display the last 8 hours, the last day, the last 3 days, or the last week. But as we'll see below, in the chart, we also have the option to choose a date range that we want. For example, let's set it to the last 3 days. And now we have plenty of options to adjust the appearance, the colors, font colors, and so on. In any case, we're going to test it. Here we have it. As you can see, there is a general power value that is much larger than the others. Because of this, the others barely move. Let's remove that blue value so you can see how to edit it and see the difference between the others. To do this, we need to edit the data range. It was a data range we created for the online chart, and here it is. We're going to edit it. Just by clicking it, it's displayed below, and we're going to remove the first element. Now we're left with just 3 ranges. And let's see if the precision increases and we can clearly see the differences between the 3 lines. Indeed, that's how it works. That's how easy it is to create a chart. It's just that simple to create a chart in Adquio SCADA Cloud or Adquio SCADA Server. Remember, for this to work correctly, we need to have the value registration enable selected within the variables. In this case, it's being recorded every 30 seconds. If it's a variable we want to analyze over the long term, we can set it to record every 30 minutes or every hour to reduce the amount of data. Well, with this, we wrap up today's short tutorial video. See you next time.